Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So just a very short unboxing video for you guys today of one of the new Casio Duros. They released two new models. I know there's quite a few videos on this watch out there right now, and I meant to do this video a few days ago, but I was away on a short vacation. The watch didn't show up until the day of our flight, so today's the day to get into it. You'll know from the thumbnail, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of this very watch, so stick around to the end of the video and I'll explain how to enter. So let's get into the watch. Alright, so a bit of a disclaimer before we start here. I am slightly jet lagged today from the trip. If there's any errors or omissions in the video, we're going to blame it on that. I also just want to shout out Aaron Dunlap. He's the one that made me aware of the new Duros, and just so happens his channel also hit 10K subscribers the other day, which is a massive milestone. So big congrats to Aaron for that. If you happen to be not subscribed to his channel, I'll leave a link below where you can find him. But let's get into the package here. The case is always a nice sharp option. I don't think there's anything in there. We'll get that out of the way. All right. And here is the black and gold. Love those gold accents. Get the sticker off. Almost always the first thing I do with a dive watch is give that bezel a turn. And nice solid action. Everything lines up. Even if you get in close, I'm going to actually zoom in here. Even if you get in close, you can see that the second hand is aligning nice with the markers and the chapter ring. These watches, to me, have got to be the best bang for buck diver, the best value diver on the market. They're just such a solid watch, and I love that they've offered these new colorways. I may actually get the blue one as well because it looked really nice too. I'm trying to see if there's a bit of a sunburst finish to the dial. I can't quite tell in this lighting, maybe not, but great looking watch. And excited to have a little bit of wrist time with it. So just a really quick first look today. I'm going to save getting into all of the details and specifications and just what makes this watch such a great watch in a future video here very soon. And that actually brings me to the giveaway. All you have to do to enter is let me know in the comment section below that you're in. I will do a random drawing and I'll announce the winner when I do the full video here in the next few days, so keep an eye out for that. I'll also pin in the comments of this video that the winner has been announced when that happens, just in case people are stumbling onto the video late and have missed the drawing, just to let you guys know. So that's it. I think the only thing we have left to do is get a look on wrist. And there it is, and it's hard to see through the viewfinder, but there is a bit of that sunburst effect on the dial. The gold handset and hour markers really pop against it. It's just a really nice looking watch. Such a great diver for the cost. So a couple of things coming up on the channel to look out for. The giveaway, for sure, that'll be in the next few days. I also have two videos that are related to the trip I just took. One watch related and one is more just of a travel vlog. So those will be coming out here very soon too. So that's it for today, guys. I really appreciate you stopping by. Good luck with the giveaway and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.